Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a 2024 Ford F-150 Raptor and we've installed two 40-inch Pro Series light bars. I want to show you exactly how much light they put out on the road. So this is the factory low beams. This is the factory high beams. This is a single 40-inch Pro Series light bar. This 40-inch light bar is below the Ford side, and we're going to turn on the second 40-inch light bar, which is above. So notice that the tree actually got lit up because it is facing a little bit higher. So this is 1 versus 2. So these are two 40-inch light bars. This is a single 40-inch light below the Ford sign. This is a single 40-inch light above the Ford sign. Because the second 40-inch light bar sits above the Ford side, we pointed it slightly higher, so that way you get a lot more coverage with it. They implement each other really well. Factory low beams, factory high beams, 40-inch light bar below the Ford side, and two 40-inch light bars. You guys are going to absolutely love this product. Thank you very much for watching.